Hey there guys, it's me Pat and welcome back again to another tutorial. For today's video, I'm going to discuss the intermediate version on how to evaluate using truth tables. Now, if you haven't watched my first video about the easy version on this topic, make sure to watch it first and I'll be putting the link down below and up here. So let's start. So in here, makikita nyo meron tayong dalawang given, which is number 1 and then yung number 2. So, kung mapapansin nyo sa dalawang given natin, meron tayong 1, 2 na variables, which is equal to 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4, combination of truth values, or ibig sabihin lang ito, ganito yung itsura ng truth table niya. So, mag-start muna tayo sa ating number 1, which is not P by conditional Q grouped together, X or not Q. So, dito muna tayo magsa-start sa parenthesis. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, dito wala pa tayong not P. So, kailangan muna natin kuhanin yung not P na truth value, tsaka magproproceed talaga dun sa loob ng parenthesis. So, yung not P na truth value would be true, true, false, and then false. Okay? Now, mag-proceed naman tayo dito sa item na to. And then, that would be false, true, true, and then false ulit. Okay? So, after nyan, pwede na tayo mag-proceed doon sa buong item number 1. Kaya lang again, wala pa tayong value ng not Q. So, kukuhanin muna natin yon, tapos tsaka natin to isosolve. Okay? So, ang value natin for not Q, that would be true, false, true, and then false ulit. After nyan, dito na tayo. So, ibig sabihin, ito lang kukuhanin natin at i-XOR natin siya dito sa not Q. So, that would be true, true, false, and then false again. Okay? So, done na tayo dito sa number 1. So, guys, etong box na to, that would be our answer for our first item. Let's now proceed to number 2, which is P, X, or Q grouped together implies not Q. Again, uunahin natin yung parenthesis, which is this one. At ang truth value niya would be false, true, true, then false. Okay? After nyan, pwede na tayo mag-proceed dito sa buong part na to. So, ang sagot sa truth values nito would be true, and then false, true ulit, and then true. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, itong lahat ng truth values na to, yan ang sagot natin sa item number 2. Okay? Let's now proceed to item number 3, which is P by conditional Q grouped together and P implies R grouped together. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, meron tayong 1, 2, 3 na variables. So, ibig sabihin, 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8 combination of truth values or ganito yung kakalabasan ng ating truth table. Now, mag-start na agad tayo dito sa parenthesis na to, which is P by conditional Q. So, ang sagot dyan would be true, true, false, 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 true, and then true ulit. Okay? After nyan, pwede na tayo mag-proceed ulit sa isang parenthesis, which is P implies R. So, ang sagot natin dyan would be true, 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 false, true ulit, false, and then true. Okay? After natin makuha tong dalawa is pwede na natin mag-proceed dito sa buong example number 3. Ang kailangan lang is i-end natin tong dalawang to. So, ang answer dyan would be true, true, false, 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 and then true ulit. So, etong mga to, yung truth values na yan ay yung answer natin sa number 3. Okay? So, let's now proceed to our last example. So, again guys, kung mapapansin nyo sa ating example na to, meron ulit tayo na 1, 2, and 3 na variables. Ibig sabihin, ang ating truth table lang ay makakalabas na ganito. So, ang uunahin natin yung sa pinaka-innermost. And that would be yung parenthesis bago muna yung bracket. Okay? So, that would be P implies R. And ang sagot dyan would be true, 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 false, true, false, and then true ulit. Okay? After ng parenthesis is mag-move na tayo dito sa buong bracket. And mind you guys na wala tayong not Q pa na truth value. So, yun muna yung kukuhanin natin. That would be true, true, false, false, true, true, false, and then false. Okay? So, let's now proceed with this. So, ang sagot lang natin dito sa truth values na to would be true, true, false, 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 true, false, and then false. Okay? Now, after natin sa bracket is pwede na tayong mag-move dito sa outside. So, yung buong equation na yan, itong kanina natin kinuha, ay i-or lang natin dito sa Q na to. So, that would be true, 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 false, true, and then true ulit. So guys, kung nalilito pa kayo dun sa mga operations and kung paano yung truth tables, make sure na i-check yung mga links down below, yung mga previous videos, at i-review nyo yun para ma-master natin tong truth tables. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching and please do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!